Hi people, welcome once again to the Jumia Nigeria Vendor University. So today I'm going to be putting you through on how to update your prices in bulk on the vendor center. Are you ready? Let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to expand the menu bar option, click on products, manage products. Meanwhile, if you just want to update one or two prices, you can edit it here. But if you want to update a lot, you click on the import export bar, click the drop down option, select price, and then move over to action and select export, because you're going to have the sheet to edit and then import it after. Okay, so you click on next, then you click on the next option. You'll see your store name. Once again, you click on next, and you can select the date range that you created the product. And if you're not sure, just go as far back as possible. Okay, you also have the option to select if you want to download all the products or just the active products, but in this case I'm going to select all, and you're going to choose Nigeria as a country and export. This is what the document looks like once you export it and open it. So you can look through it, then you can now decide the product and price that you wish to edit. Okay, so you can edit the global price, the sales price start date, and the sales price end date. As you can see here, the prices and start dates are duplicated, so all you need to do is copy the information that you edited just now and paste it in the second section where you have the global price, sales price start date, and the sales price end date. When you are done, you can now save the file and now go back to your store on Vendor Center for the next couple of steps. Now that you're done making the final edit, you come back here, click on import, and you can put the desired file in the drop your file option, and voila, work in progress. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section, and you can also let me know if you had issues trying these steps out. Remember to share, like, and subscribe so you get updates whenever we have new videos on here for you. Have a great day and bye.